Errors and omissions insurance for real estate. Hello, in today's video we'll be talking about errors and omissions insurance for real estate professionals. Whether you are a real estate agent, broker or appraiser, this type of insurance is crucial for protecting your business from lawsuits arising out of mistakes or omissions in your services. Let's break down why E&O insurance is so important in real estate. What is errors and omissions insurance? E&O insurance provides coverage for real estate professionals against claims of negligence or failure to perform duties. For instance, if you miss key information when listing a property or misrepresent its condition, E&O insurance helps cover legal fees, court costs and settlements. Essentially, it shields your business from financial fallouts of human error. Why real estate professionals need E&O insurance? Real estate is a field with high stakes. Buyers, sellers and landlords often rely on agents and brokers for advice. Any oversight or error, such as forgetting to disclose a structural issue or providing incorrect financial advice, can result in expensive legal battles. For example, if a buyer claims they were misled about a property's zoning regulations, E&O insurance could cover the legal cost associated with defending your business. What does E&O insurance cover in real estate? Let's break down the coverage. First, negligence. If a client feels their interests were not properly represented, the policy helps cover the cost of defending that claim. Second, errors in paperwork. Misfiling important documents such as closing papers or property titles can lead to lawsuits. Third, failure to disclose information. Missing or failing to disclose critical property details can result in legal actions. Fourth, defense costs. E&O insurance covers your legal fees, even if the claim against you is false. Common exclusions. It's also important to understand what E&O insurance does not cover. Common exclusions include, first, fraudulent or intentional acts. If it's found that you intentionally misled a client, your insurance won't provide coverage. Second, property damage. Damage to a client's property isn't typically covered under E&O insurance. That would require general liability coverage. Third, bodily injury. Physical injuries to clients on the property are also excluded from E&O insurance coverage. The claims process. If a claim is filed against you, the process typically involves, first, notify your insurer. As soon as you become aware of a potential claim, notify your insurance provider. Second, provide documentation. Gather all relevant documents, emails and contracts related to the claim. Third, investigation. The insurer will investigate the claim's validity. Fourth, resolution. If the claim is valid, the insurer will cover legal fees, settlements or court judgments. Remember, timely communication and documentation are essential to resolving claims efficiently. Best practices for real estate professionals. While E&O insurance provides protection, it's always better to minimize the risk. Here are some of the best practices. First, clear communication. Ensure clients fully understand all aspects of the transaction and put everything in writing. Thorough documentation. Keep detailed records of all communication, contracts and agreements with clients. Third, stay updated. Stay informed about the changes in real estate laws and regulations to avoid accidental breaches. These practices help reduce the risk of errors and omissions and make sure your professional reputation stays intact. Conclusion. In summary, errors and omissions insurance is a vital safeguard for real estate professionals. It not only covers financial losses from lawsuits, but also provides peace of mind as you focus on helping clients find their dream homes or investment properties. By having the right E&O coverage in place, you can navigate your profession with confidence, knowing you are protected.